Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a pretty cool pattern that anybody could make. It's really, really simple. Let's just move this out of the way. I'm going to start with an ellipse, and I'm going to make it 4 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4 inches. I made this shape just the other day in a video. It's the best way to get this shape right here in that shape right there. Now we're going to take one of these circles, get rid of the rest of them. I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. I am going to select both lines and make them something other than a hairline. I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to weld it, and you've got it already. Now we need to know the distance. So I'm going to use a macro a friend of mine named Eskimo created. And I'm going to go, let me get rid of that, start a new one. So I'm on the outside edge of this one. I'm going to go to the inside edge of that one. I'm going to go to tools and scripts, yours might say macros, and go right here to guideline distance. And then select that guideline, shift select that guideline. Well, not working. There we go. And we're at 3.997. So change your nudge factor to 3.997. We can get rid of this now. We can turn off our guideline, and we can Control D or hit the plus key, and look at that, it matches up perfectly. And then since it's a perfect circle, you can go down as many as you want, and then weld it, and you've got all one piece. Let's make it yellow, take away the outline, bring in a black box effect, and there you have it. And you could go forever and ever on this. And you could actually go more. You could do some other things to the inside. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of information, and thank you for watching.